Peppa Pig, Fix It Daddy Pig. The toy is broken. Daddy Pig will fix it. The wall is broken.
Oh no!
Daddy Pig will fix it. The car is broken. Daddy Pig will fix it.
Hooray!
The screen is broken. Daddy Pig will fix it. The clock is broken. Daddy Pig will fix it. The kite is stuck. Daddy Pig will fix it. Look at that mud. Daddy Pig will fix it.
Hooray!
Hooray for Daddy. He is the Fix-It Pig. The end. Peppa Pig, Peppa's baking competition. Miss Rabbit is having a baking competition, and Peppa is very excited.
Can we bake a special cake, please?
She asked Mummy and Daddy Pig.
Yes, of course, Peppa,
says Mummy Pig.
We can all bake a cake together.
George cheers.
Cake! Can we make a cake like this?
asked Peppa, pointing to the recipe book cover. That's a Victoria sponge, says Daddy Pig. It's a classic. Peppa and George have lots of fun making their Victoria sponge.
Spanky, spanky,
says George.
It looks nice,
says Peppa, looking at the cake.
but I'm not sure it's special enough. Miss Rabbit loves carrots. Maybe we should make a carrot cake,
says Peppa. Great idea, says Mummy Pig. So they bake a lovely sweet carrot cake.
It looks tasty,
says Peppa, looking at the carrot cake.
but I wonder if a chocolate cake might be even more special.
You can't go wrong with a chocolate cake, Peppa, says Daddy Pig. Why's that, Daddy Pig? asked Mummy Pig. Because it's made of yummy chocolate, of course, replies Daddy Pig. So Peppa and her family set to work and bake a yummy chocolate cake.
Hooray!
Soon the chocolate cake is ready,
Wow!
They all look so special.
says Peppa.
I don't know which one to choose for the competition.
Then Peppa has a brilliant idea. She puts the cakes on top of each other. Then she covers the whole cake and the kitchen in rainbow sparkles.
It's my special giant sprinkle cake,
Peppa announces proudly.
It's got sponge chocolate and carrot cake all together.
Now that looks really, really special, Peppa, says Mummy Pig, smiling. When they get to the competition, Peppa sees her friends, Susie Sheep, Danny Dog, and Emily Elephant. They have made cakes too. Miss Rabbit spends a long time deciding. Finally, she makes an announcement.
Hooray!
The winner of my baking competition is Peppa and George's special giant sprinkle cake.
Everyone cheers. Hooray!
Thank you, Miss Rabbit,
says Peppa.
What's my prize?
A piece of delicious cake, says Miss Rabbit. Peppa loves cake. Everyone loves cake. The end. Peppa Pig. Piggy in the middle. When the sun is shining, it's time to play outside.
Hooray!
There is lots to do outside. Daddy Pig likes playing bat and ball. Peppa and Mummy Pig like playing Piggy in the middle.
Wow!
Catch George! And George likes riding up and down on horsey Twinkletoes. Sometimes Peppa plays outside with her friends. Candy Cat,
Meow!
Zoe Zebra, Emily Elephant, Pedro Pony, Danny Dog, and Susie Sheep. Everyone loves playing outside. The end. First words with Peppa Pig. Level 4. Bedtime story. Meet Peppa, George, Mummy Pig, Daddy Pig. Learn. Both. Does. First. Sing. Sit. Sleep. Tell. There. Upon. Wash. Why. Wish. Write. Read. Dinosaur. Clock that tells the time. Diary. Castle. Bedtime story. Peppa as a princess. It was bedtime. First, Peppa and George both had a wash and brushed their teeth. Then they lay upon their beds. I can sing you both a song or tell you both a story first. Then you can go to sleep, said Daddy Pig.
Tell us both a story first, please,
said Peppa.
I wish Daddy would tell us a story with a princess in it,
said Peppa.
Dinosaur,
said George.
Why does the story need a dinosaur?
asked Peppa. Well, why not? said Daddy Pig. I will do my best to tell you a story with both of them, if you wish. Once upon a time, said Daddy Pig. Sit down first, Daddy, said Mummy Pig. She got a chair for Daddy Pig to sit on. Now you can tell them their story, Daddy, said Mummy Pig. Once upon a time, said Daddy Pig.
Dinosaur,
said George.
George,
said Peppa. Daddy Pig began to tell the story again. Once upon a time, there was a princess. Every day, she had to sit and sing or just look out at the sun. She did not have fun. At the end of every day, the princess liked to sit down and write in her diary.
Wow!
why can I not have some fun?
said the princess. The princess had to write something in her diary every day.
I wish that just one fun thing could happen,
said the princess.
Dinosaur,
said George. Yes, the story does have a dinosaur, said Daddy Pig.
why does it need a dinosaur?
said Peppa. Wait and see what the dinosaur does, said Daddy Pig. Once upon a time, a dinosaur came to the castle.
Wow.
At last I can write the story of the dinosaur in my diary, said the princess.
The princess got her diary to write in.
What a fun day. I liked it better than when I just sing or look out at the sun,
said the princess. Then the princess wanted to go to sleep. First, the princess had a wash and brushed her teeth. Then she lay upon the bed and went to sleep. Peppa and George both went to sleep in their beds too. What a good story, Daddy. You could write a book, says Mummy Pig. Yes, it would be a good book to write, said Daddy Pig. The end.
Hi kids, did you have fun watching this video? Then like and subscribe for more.